Hi, welcome back to Cotton Creation. So today I'm bringing you another fall winter yummy breakfast recipe. Well, I guess you could also do it as a dessert option. Yeah, that's an option too. But anyway, I am bringing you, as promised, another pumpkin recipe, and this is a pumpkin pecan French toast recipe. And a lot of you guys have tried my other French toast recipes. If you haven't, check out the link up above. I have my just regular standard classic American French toast recipe, but I also have a crunchy French toast recipe, and you guys love my French toast recipe, so this one is not going to disappoint either. So for all my pumpkin lovers out there, and even if you're not a pumpkin lover, I still suggest to try this recipe because it is good. So before we hop into it, make sure you hit that subscribe button and let's hop into it. All right, so of course you're going to need some bread, some vanilla extract, some sugar, some plant-based milk, pumpkin pie spice, ground cinnamon, pumpkin puree, just egg, and some all-purpose flour. First, we're going to start by making our pumpkin French toast batter. So first I'm going to add the just egg, and then I'm going to add the plant-based milk, and then we're going to add in some flour. And then we're going to add in some maple syrup. Oh, I forgot to include that on the items. My apologies. But you know what? The recipe is in the description box below. So that way, if you miss anything and you need the measurements, just check out the recipe in the description box. So let's continue. Let's go ahead and add that pumpkin pie spice, some ground cinnamon, the vanilla extract, the pumpkin puree. And then we're going to just go ahead and mix all this together until everything is nice and blended. So now that our batter is ready, we are ready to go ahead and warm up a skillet, put a little bit of oil on it, and then we're going to dip our bread into our batter and add that onto our hot skillet. Once the first side is done, you want to go ahead and flip it over and cook the other side until it's golden brown. Now, something that I do as an extra step, but you don't have to, but I do. I like to put my French toast in the oven. Number one, it keeps it warm while I'm cooking the rest of them. But two, it adds a nice little crunch to the outside. So this is what our French toast looks like. Not dressed up, but now let's dress it up. Let's go ahead and add a couple sprinkles of this powdered sugar. Then of course, you know, we got to add some butter, and then it's pumpkin pecan French toast, so we got to add the pecans, and yes, for the drizzle of the maple syrup. Get into it. So what do you guys think of this recipe? I cannot wait to hear what you think. It smells so delicious. Can something smell delicious? I know something can be delicious, but can it? Anyway, focus, Shanique. It smells delicious. I don't know if that's, you know, grammatically correct, but it smells delicious. Anyway, let me know what you guys think of this recipe, if you're planning to check it out. And if you do, be sure to come back and let your girl know what you think. Of course, you know the recipe is in the description box down below. And yeah, if you like this video, you know what to do. Give me a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching.